In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to your Klaviyo account. We'll start right from your Klaviyo dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and workspace, especially if you manage multiple brands. In the top right corner, click your profile icon to open your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is your central hub for account level controls, including who has access to your organization. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Users or Team. The label may vary slightly depending on your plan or interface updates, but both take you to the same place, the page where you manage who can access your Klaviyo account and what they can do. Next, click the button to Add User or Invite User. This opens a simple form. Enter the person's email address carefully, since the invitation will be sent there. First and last names are optional, but adding them helps keep your user list clear and organized. When possible, use a work email associated with your company domain for better accountability. Now choose the appropriate role to set their permissions. Admin provides full access across your account and should be reserved for people you fully trust to configure settings, billing, and sensitive data. Manager is great for team members who actively run campaigns, build lists and segments, and design automation flows. Analyst is read-only, perfect for stakeholders who need visibility into performance without the ability to change anything. Support offers limited access for tasks that don't require broader control. A helpful guideline is to grant only the permissions a person needs to do their job. This keeps your data secure and your workflows clean. When everything looks right, click Send Invite. Klaviyo will email the person an invitation to join your account. If they don't see it within a few minutes, ask them to check spam or promotions folders. You can always return to this page to view pending invitations and, if needed, resend or cancel an invite. From the recipient's side, they'll click the link in the email, create their login credentials if they're new to Klaviyo, and then they'll be granted access with the role you selected. If they already have a Klaviyo login under that email, they'll simply be added to your account without creating a new profile. That's it. You've successfully added a team member to your Klaviyo account. You can come back to the Users or Team section anytime to adjust roles, remove users, or add more people as your team grows. Thanks for watching.